Hey guys, welcome back to Dad Deals. Today I'll be checking out the Grant handheld steam cleaner that you can find at Harbor Freight for around $39.99. This is a 1200 watt portable steam cleaner that claims it can cut through grease, grime, and dirt and kill bacteria, so it can sanitize things as well. It heats to over 200 degrees, so that hot steam can really lift any stains you have. And the nice thing about steam is it can go through different systems. So I'm also going to test this thing of how well it can clean out my car's ventilation system. With a steam cleaner like this, you don't need to use any chemicals, so it's also very safe to use on strollers or car seats or anywhere you might be worried about using some of those chemicals. And this particular cleaner at Harbor Freight comes with 11 accessories all included, and we'll get into those in a second and what each one is used for. So stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on this Grant handheld steam cleaner, and I'll let you know if I think it's worth it or not. So right out of the box, you get the steam cleaner itself, and I really like how well this is made. Feels very solid and also has a nice long power cord. And the first accessory you see here is the window accessory. So it kind of has a squeegee built into it, and that will actually attach to the wide nozzle that has 5 steam ports in it. So you get a nice wide coverage. We also have this nice flex extension nozzle. This is nice because usually you want to keep the steamer upright. So if you ever want to use the steamer at an angle, this flex nozzle will be perfect for that. So the nozzle that's already pre-installed on the cleaner is actually going to be your most powerful. It's kind of your short nozzle. They also have this long extension one. So if you need a longer reach, you could use this one. You also get a funnel to be used to fill it, a measuring cup, and also a little terry cloth that's going to fit over that wide nozzle if you're going to use it to clean any hardwood floors or any surface you want to protect like that. And then they also have various tips. So they have one kind of scraper tip if you want to get any gunk out, as well as one with some nylon bristles on it, and an angle one. So a really nice bunch of accessories here. Pretty much everything I can imagine that you would need with one of these. So it's really a nice package, and you should be able to get a lot of use out of this in a lot of different situations. So the instructions do say to use distilled water, but in all these tests, I don't have distilled water on hand, so I'm just going to use filtered water from my fridge, and that should be fine. If you wanted to get the max life out of this, keep it as clean as possible, distilled water would definitely be the way to go. And filling it is super easy. It comes with this measuring cup. You just fill it up to the top line and then use the funnel to pour it into the actual cleaner. The steamer itself heated up super fast. It heated up in about 25 seconds. And I actually used my Bluetti for the power. So if you're curious, you can actually see that it pulls about 1100 watts. So this pulls quite a significant power load. And you'd kind of expect that with something that's heating water to a pretty high temperature like this thing is. So the first thing I'm going to clean is this doormat that's in my garage. And I'm going to use the wide nozzle on it. And I have to say, even though it's a little hard to tell, it really did a great job. You can really tell the difference of where I used it and where I didn't. And I think this wide nozzle is probably my favorite accessory this thing comes with. It really just gives you a lot of coverage. You can really blast that heat in a specific area. And I think it just does a great job cleaning and sanitizing. So I did my whole welcome mat, and I really like the way it turned out. The wide nozzle that this thing comes with can also be used on windows. So it has a squeegee attachment that goes on top of that wide nozzle. So I went ahead and did this old garage door that has some pretty dirty windows in my shop, and I was really impressed with it. This is not something I'd really probably use a ton. I didn't really get this thing to do windows with, but I gave it a shot, and it was a really quick and easy way to clean windows, and I was very impressed with it. It was kind of nice that the squeegee attachment fit perfectly in between each of these little windows in the door, so that just made things even extra easy. But I read that this attachment would also be great for cleaning shower doors, maybe bathroom mirrors, things like that that might get gunked up with soap or anything else. And I could definitely see that being helpful, and this thing working great on that. So when I got this thing, one of the biggest use cases I could think of is with my strollers and car seats for my kids. I thought this would work great at cleaning them. It's always a challenge to clean them. They always get gummed up with food or just dirty, and I'm always scared to use chemicals on that. So I thought this steamer would work great, and it really did. You can see here I'm using it on their stroller, and that short nozzle that the steamer already comes pre-installed with is really your most powerful. It really blasts out a powerful stream of steam. You just don't get a lot of coverage with it, but this really did work great on cleaning these strollers and at least sanitizing them. And this is something I'm going to use this for all the time. You can see here on the stroller, there was this section of kind of sticky food probably, and this steamer blasted through it and was able to clean it up super fast. And I was just very impressed. I didn't think it would be able to clean it up as well as it did, and it just blasted through that. And this is probably the most common thing I will use mine for. So if you're a parent out there and you have these strollers, you know what I'm talking about. I think if this is the only thing you use it for, then this thing is worth getting. Onto the car seats. This is really where that extension nozzle shines. It's hard to get the unit in these car seats and angled properly without tipping it. So with this extension, you can keep the unit upright and just use that wand to get all around it. And I really found that the wide nozzle is the one to use. Just gives you a lot of coverage. You can really blast that heat in a small area and concentrate on where those stains or where those spots are that you really want to clean. And this thing worked great. It allowed me to fully clean my kids' car seats without removing them, which is just a huge win and will definitely become part of my regular car cleaning routine. Here's the extension wand. We want to line it up just like that. Slide it out. This is going to give us a little bit more reach and we can angle it this way. I definitely feel like it's less power using this extension, probably because it's just further away, but it is a lot easier to handle. So yeah, like the Strollers, I really use the short nozzle to really blast away any specific area where you see maybe food or anything like that. But the wide nozzle just works great on the rest of the car seat. If you have small kids and you have these same issues, this steam cleaner is a must-have. One other area I really wanted to try this on was my old 4Runner. Sometimes it gets a weird smell in the air conditioning unit, and I saw someone use one of these and I really wanted to try it. But you can just blast this in one of the vents and it will go through your entire ventilation system in your car and really just help clean it out, sanitize it, get any of that bacteria out or any mold growth. So I'm really hoping that this helps with that smell. Right after I did it, I made sure to run the air conditioning for a while to make sure that any moisture or condensation got out of there and really just help cycle the system. But it was kind of neat seeing the steam coming out of all the vents. So it's definitely working itself throughout it. And this is another great way and really the only type of tool that could do this, that could really clean out your vent system. And it really worked great for it. When you're finished using it, you'll want to let all the steam out. And it actually has a pretty clever mechanism that the top cap will not open unless you are holding down the steam button. So you have to be letting out that steam as you're opening it, which is a great safety feature in this thing. But at 40 bucks, I absolutely recommend getting this, especially if you can eventually use a coupon for it, one of those 25% off coupons, or if it goes on sale. But I think even at full price, the $40, this is a great thing to have on hand. And is really a type of cleaning that's hard to replicate using other tools. So I hope this video gave you an idea of what this thing can be used for. And if you found the video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.